What up? Welcome to another video. Today what we're gonna do is go pick up the hood for this thing. We got Mr. Box right here, his truck. I was thinking about taking the Civic by itself and taking the Civic, mounting the hood right there on the spot, and then just driving back home, but it's much easier to just take the truck. Want to say hello to the vlog?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Good shit, pals. Peter's on the phone?
Yeah.
Say hello to the vlog, bro.
Hey, how's it going, vlog? I hope everyone's having a great day so far tonight.
I'll show you guys when we get to the place for the hood. Made it to Pedro's house. He was bored, so we couldn't pick him up real quick. Waiting on the hood. Package secured.
Yeah.
Are we gonna go get our food or no?
So we gotta get me this piece right here.
They didn't have it in stock. Let me see. Oh yeah. They didn't have it, boss. Domineto.
Stay hydrated.
We have the hood home, but we're having a little bit of issue. We put it on and it doesn't line up perfect, so we're trying to mess with it a little bit, see what works. And this side's too high. Yeah, I have no idea. We're making some little bit of adjustments with the headlights. I think it's a little bit out. We think it's the headlight. Could go a little bit more pushed in, so we'll see if that works out. We keep messing with the hood, but it doesn't. Oh, it does not seem to work. I'm gonna plan on. I'm gonna put these universal vents on this. I think it'll look pretty good. What do you guys think? More down, more up. But I think the hood, I'm gonna have to take it to a body shop, see what they could do.
Just the hood?
The whole car.
Oh. Yeah, they can't do much with just the
More
hood,
up?
honestly.
More up or more down? What do you think?
Upper.
Upper? More upper.
A little downer.
I don't think it looks too bad. Delta. On the outside boombox or on the...
Oh, looks a little angry right there. Kind of looks cool. Looks a little angry, bro.
Gonna have to make a poll.
Go to my IG page and Pedro's page. You see, this is just is bad.
Or
What do you think? It's a little. I think it doesn't look that bad right there.
what do you think right there, $100?
Yeah, it looks pretty cool too.
Outside or inside? What do you think?
Yeah, kind of like the outside look, but the inside.
It doesn't look
Be
bad.
more functional. The outside makes it.
Well, it's not gonna function, it's not gonna perform any better.
That's true. I mean, it looks pretty good right there too, but
Or you could do
let's see, throw it back again.
right above the headlight, look at it from a distance.
Nah, I think in the center it looks better.
Yeah.
I think in the center.
Let me see.
I think this is gonna be the winning line. Oh yeah,
That's pretty cool.
we'll put
Oh,
some.
that's cool.
We'll put some right there and some on the hood. And
So cool to breathe.
you want to put some on the doors and us?
Right here.
Right over the trim.
Well, to cool it down when you're doing a burnout.
On the head VTEC.
Yeah, fucking single cam, bro, no retail.
It should be 10.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? I like it. I think that's gonna be it. Hell no. Nah, I low-key don't like it like that.
There's a little angry eyebrows.
Or my dad has a cow hood for El Camino in the backyard. You could try it on and see how that looks.
Does he have 3-inch cowl hood?
3-inch.
3.5 way. Yeah, I think this is it. We're gonna take it to the body shop and then we're gonna go ahead and do those vents. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and continue this in a few days. I'm gonna try and figure something out with this hood. We noticed one of the hinges is a little bit like, it's hard to see, but it's cracked on this side. So I don't know, maybe something happened, because I noticed when I got the car, the hood was a little off to this side, slightly off, but that could throw off the whole front end. The front end, everything lined up before the hood, but it's either the hinge, it has to be the hinges, or I don't know. I was telling this Boombox and Peter, worst comes to worst, we're just gonna have to put the hood latches or the hood pins right here and right there, and not run a latch to make it fit better. But who knows? First I gotta figure this out, make it straight before I continue the next step, because I'm not gonna send it out to paint with the front end being all tweaked one side or something. I just can't do that. So I'll go ahead and continue this in a few days once I figure it out. So it's the same day since the hood, I can't fix the hood. I was gonna try and fix this, well, I was gonna try and wash the car. Or a monster right there. I was gonna try and wash the car, but I can't roll up the window, and I thought it was easy as getting some vice grips and turning this, but it's all broken. So what I'm gonna do now is take off the door panel and see what's wrong with it, because I need to roll up this window so I could be able to at least wash the car. I haven't washed it, and I'm pretty sure the previous owner did not wash it probably in months. It was just sitting. So yeah, let's see what's up with that door panel. I don't mind the door, I don't mind the window not being able to roll up and down because the AC works. So I mean, the window being up and just being stuck up for now is better than the window being down and I can't move it up. But this one works fine. So like I said, the AC works, so I don't mind the windows being up, but I do not like this window just staying down all the time. Let me see what it is, or try and see what's up with it. So this door panel is pretty much broken. It does have a Phillips here, and this is already missing. So I think that's pretty much it, just the Phillips and a bunch of clips all around. But let me show you guys how it looks with the hood so far. I mean, it looks good from far, but once you get close to it, yeah, it doesn't fit very well. But what do you guys think so far? I think it's a hell of a transformation. The front end for sure looks way better than the 96. But let's get going with this door panel before it gets darker. So this just happened. As soon as I pulled this the clip right here, that just broke. I mean, it was all crusty. You can see right here is I mean, it was broken, not a big deal. These things are super cheap. I don't mind buying a new one. Let's see. Oh, I think I got a, no, these speakers don't have any. Oh yeah, I see 1, 2, 3. Let's see, let's remove them. So that's that. I'm gonna just throw that to the trash. And this is what's wrong. I don't know if I got a, I don't know what's going on right here. I'm gonna see if I could take off these bolts. I mean, they're all loose. That's kind of weird. I think they already messed with it. I don't know if you guys could see. It seems like, yeah, they already had to mess with it. So they tried fixing it, but I guess they couldn't because of this. I think I might just need a whole other, whatever this is called, lever, handle. I don't know. I'm gonna mess with it a bit, turn off the camera, mess with it, and see what I could do. Probably won't be able to fix it though, to be honest. I don't think that's fixable. So you guys probably can't see very well at all, but I'm noticing, and this is already messed up, so I'm just thinking I'm gonna have to get a whole new part, or I don't know if they, or a new door. I mean, it'll be cheap either way at the junkyard. But if you guys notice right here, the window, the glass is not even on the slider. So I don't know, I'm gonna just try and get the window up. It's already 3/4 of the way there. I'm gonna just try and force it up and see if I've seen people just stick something in here and hold it up temporarily until I get this figured out. But I'm probably gonna just do this off camera like again and show you guys tomorrow, because it's getting dark out here and the GoPro is not very good with the dark. So I'll show you guys tomorrow, see what I do. I can figure it out. So I got it done, but I had to take off the mirror to get the glass into the little slider that goes in here. It's dark, but let me turn on the light. So the window goes into the sliders, and then it's able to go up and down. So it was off the slider on this side and off the slider on that side, but I managed to get them in there. I had to take this off and move it, slide it in there, and so on. I think this is just completely broken, to be honest. I don't think I can fix this. The best thing would be to get a new door, or a junkyard door or whatever. So what I did for now, I tightened up this these rails. These rails are as tight as possible, pushing that side, and then there's a rail in there as well. It's hard to see, but you guys can see it a little bit. So there's rails on both sides, so I try and tighten them against each other as much as I can. And then I shoved something in here so I could, just to reinforce it. It's not the proper way, but I was tired of the window rattling, because it'll just rattle, but now it stays up. Like I said, I don't mind. So yeah, I call that like not a fix, but it's much better. I hate when the window will rattle, and now it's fine. Another thing I'm gonna do now is the AC blows cold. The AC does blow cold when, like right now, if I turn it on, it'll be fresh. But I don't know, like it's super hot right now in California, so it doesn't feel as cold once you're actually driving. I mean, I'm sure the heat has a lot to do with it, and the fact that this thing is a fishbowl does too. But I have a can of Freon. Let me see if I could just fill it up with more and see if it helps out. Let me go ahead and do that. So I gotta fill it up to the low. This is a high, the low. This one's hot. This one's cold. So we do it to the L. Grab the Freon, and I don't know how this happened, but it must have fallen from the place I had it on. We'll attach this to this. That's good. Turn on the car. Grab the key. Turn on the car and turn it on. AC on full blast. So it's AC the highest it can possibly go. And now we shake the can and start filling up. It says filled. I'm gonna do it a little longer and see what. Check it out. Yeah, so the can shows that. Can says that it's full. Oh yeah, it's blowing much colder now. I mean, it was blowing pretty cold, but definitely feels fresher now. So the hood, we got the hood. That was a fail, but we fixed the windows somewhat. We got the AC colder, which is always good. And this is where I'm at in the video. we're gonna go ahead and tackle the hood another day, but go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, comment what you think about the car so far, how it's coming along, and see you guys in the next one.